Happy birthday, Stormy. You're 7 years old today, huh? This is Stormy, my Pied Pearl Cockatiel. He's a boy. And it's his birthday today. He's 7 years old. He loves to be petted, so he's going to get like extra petting today. Aren't you? For your birthday, you're getting a birthday massage. Yes. He's a good boy. And sometimes, you know, if you pet them the wrong way, they nip at you, but it doesn't hurt. I want you up. Let's see if he wants to step up. There we go. Now he's getting... Are you getting upset on your birthday? Would you like a birthday treat? There you go, buddy. Not my finger, the apple. There's Stormy. Nope, everybody's chasing him away. Okay, Rocket, you want a piece? We'll have a birthday party, like a big party with everybody in it. There we go. One for you, Kiwi. Stormy's on my shoulder. Why are you biting me, Rocket? Here. Monty, would you like a bite? Kiwi licks it. Oh, you're licking it because he's a lorky. Okay, where'd Stormy go? Stormy's on my shoulder.